Well, now take a sheet of paper and start creating your ammunition. We are entering the process of building ammunition. Write on the top of a sheet of paper the topic education data sheet. It is your school education related. Jot down the list of schools you had studied, the grades, the marks you have got, any awards. Think of any awards which you've got. It could be any other, it could be on academics or any other awards which you had got in sports or in any extracurricular activities. Any positions held. You were a treasurer of a club, you are in charge of a committee. Think of all that and mention. Or if you are a leader at school, if you are even a leader in your class, if you're a prefect, please mention all that in that sheet. And take the next sheet and mention your college education details, your UG college name, the city in which you studied, your specialization, any specific electives which were taken, the awards which you had received at college, any leadership positions held, secretary, in charge of an association, were you part of any club? Mention all that. Take your time and mention these details very carefully. The third data sheet is what is titled as, what I call it as an employment data sheet. It doesn't matter if you do not have a full-time employment. Even if you have a part-time employment, please mention it. The organizations you are worked for with the addresses, the phone numbers and the email IDs. Any references from that organization where your potential employer could check and refer to. The duration of your work there, the team size you are part of, the job profile. Give a brief description of that and get all the supporting documents which you need to have with that. Accomplishments, recognitions and rewards, or anything which you did which has got praise and rewards from your managers and from your peers. Please mention that also in that sheet. The fourth sheet is what I call as the volunteer information sheet. The places you had volunteer, be it at school, at college, or even outside school and college. It could be an orphanage, it could be an old age home, it could be a hospital visit. All these speak volumes about you. All these create a pattern about you to the interviewer. Please mention all these in the volunteer information sheet. Any youth group activities you were part of, any of the recognition and awards you had received from there. And finally, the fifth sheet is what I call as the extracurricular information sheet. If you are good at sports, be it athletics or any other sport, please mention that. Were you part of any sporting club, or were you good at dancing, or if you are an artist, think of all that, what you have achieved and mention that in this sheet. Any key accomplishments in these areas, awards, recognition, offices held, please mention all these. Then moving on to languages known. Even if you're not applying for a job in the multinational arena, your ability to read, write or speak a second language can make you invaluable to your prospective employers. Mention those in which you are fluent and also mention all those languages which you can manage. After creating all these data sheets, take a fresh sheet of paper and write down these questions. Ponder over these questions. Take your time and answer them. Which achievements did you really enjoy the most? Which are the ones you are really proud of? What mistakes have you made and how have you learned from them? If I were to ask your friends to describe you, what adjectives would they use and why would people describe you this way? Well, if you have done the previous sections sincerely, by now you should have answers for these questions which are vital and paramount in getting that elusive job. Mention what are the strongest skills out of all what you had written earlier, the areas in which you are most knowledgeable, the strongest part of your personality, the things you do the best, and parts of your personality which you could stand to really improve. Once you had mentioned all this, you're going to create your resume.